So welcome to Rope Trading Communities video, and this is a final review for VSA Complete Series. And we have our student, one-on-one student, that is Arun Kiran. Uh, Actually, we started the series literally from the past 3 weeks. We have taken the series the entire Sundays. And we have Arun Kiran right here, and we have just now we have just completed the VSA complete series. This is not definitely a end, but definitely there are a lot of assignments to be going on for the entire 1 month or 2 months, even for a 1 year completely. I'm going to teach Arun right here. So Arun, how do you describe yourself? Can you give me a review for the viewers on YouTube right here?
Yes, of course. Sir have taught at his best, and he has given his 100%. He have taught so many concepts in VSA, and it has changed my entire view of how to trade in market. And he has given so many tricks, and he have told me not to do that, and he had also trained me very well. And he had given so many assignments from which I have got some experience, and my trading style has been changed. And he is very good teacher, and he is giving his knowledge in a simple manner and very efficiently, so that the students can actually understand complete details of the VSA.
Thank you, Arun. And by the way, let me
Okay,
just ask you this one question. I think you have mentioned that you were a price action trader. You learned breakout trading through some YouTube videos or any mentors. Price action and VSA now combine? Like let's not compare because price action itself is a good concept. But how do you compare it? How do you do you feel that you have learned more than price action right here, or it's going to be the same thing?
no, no, I have the I have learned more and from other than from the price action.
Mhm.
And VSA is a different concept, and it will, if we combine the both, we will be getting some tremendous results from this.
Definitely.
And it, uh, yes, sir.
That's what I tell you every single time to all my viewers also. There is no particular rule that you have to just use volume spread analysis. You can use volume spread analysis with price action. You can use volume spread analysis with LATs just like me. Or you can use volume spread analysis with volume profile, order flow, market profile, anything in the world. But at the end of the day, it's you are trading, and at the same time, you have to be confident in yourself even before entering a trade. It doesn't matter you're entering a trade with 1,000 rupees risk or 1 lakh or 10 lakh rupees risk. At the end of the day, it's your trade, and you have to be confident whether do you know what's happening in the market? Do you understand what's happening in the market? And after that, you have to take a trade. And that's why my entire goal right now is to teach students and at the same time make videos in YouTube also so that people can actually understand, not just blindly follow the rules which is created by some great traders out there. Okay, they have created the rules, but you have to understand why they have created the rules. That's what the actual question is. And I hope this one particular review have given you some idea how my entire teaching skill will be, and we will see in the next videos. And at the same time, I'm gonna make a lot of review videos like this with more students like this. And thank you, Arun. Thank you for the amazing review. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.